In this video, I'll show you how to input paper in your HP LaserJet M140we printer. This printer can take up to 150 sheets of paper. So on the front of the device, you're going to find a door we need to open simply by pulling it down this way. Then you're going to find another plastic piece here that we can flip. You're going to notice there's two plastic guides on each side. We need to put them on each side, so push them the way I just did and simply glide the stack of paper in between these two guides. So this is the paper input. The paper, once it gets printed, will come out over here. This is why we need to extend this plastic flap. I don't know how you call it. Okay, simply flip it at the end, because if you don't do this, it will come out and fly on your desk and it will get all mixed up. So this is very important. Every time you print, don't forget to extend this, or just leave it the way it is on your desk. The paper output has a total of 100 sheets of paper. So you can put 150 here, but you can only have 100 on the top. If you want to print on smaller sheets of paper, you're gonna notice right over here, there are some markings, A5, A4, and 8.5. Let's say you want to print on A5 paper. Well, simply bring this guide until it is where the line is, okay? And now you can put smaller sheets of paper. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon affiliate links. If you want to get some paper for your printer or a brand new printer, you support my channel this way. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.